Ready to transform your Canon EOS 2000d photos from good to absolutely unforgettable. First, let's unlock creative modes. Twist your mode dial to of or aperture priority. This lets you control depth of field, blurring backgrounds for striking portraits or keeping everything in focus for landscapes. Next, experiment with your aperture. For those beautiful blurry backgrounds, use a lower f number like f1.8 or f2.8. To ensure sharp focus throughout your scene, use a higher f number like f8 or f11. Don't be afraid to get down low or climb up high. Unique angles add instant intrigue. Try shooting from ground level for a different perspective on everyday objects, or from a higher vantage point to showcase scale. Mastering composition is key. Use leading lines to draw the viewer's eye towards your subject, whether it's a path, a fence, or even the lines of a building. And always consider the rule of thirds. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal sections and place your subject at one of the intersecting points, rather than dead center, for a more dynamic and pleasing image. Finally, introduce a little drama with the Dutch angle. Simply tilt your camera slightly for a disorienting, yet captivating, effect. Experiment, explore, and let your creativity flow.